This is an emergency action notification, requested by the United States government. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures for a national emergency. The President or his representative will shortly deliver a message to the public. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Please stand by. Please stand by. The President of the United States or his designated representative will be speaking shortly.
The following message has been given authorization for release at the request of myself, the United States government, and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. As much as it burns me to say this, but a global emergency is occurring. At approximately 7:24 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, astronomers across the entire world have discovered that the biggest planet of the solar system, Jupiter, is suspiciously getting close to Earth by the second. It has now been discovered that Jupiter is on a direct collision course with Earth and will impact within the next 6 hours. Unfortunately, due to the fact that Jupiter is the biggest planet, can most likely not be deflected with anything, and was discovered at a late period of time, I regret to announce that there is no way to stop Jupiter from impacting Earth. The effects of Jupiter impacting will be world-ending. Once Jupiter hits Earth, the planet will be shattered by the force of the impact, annihilating every species on the planet. As much as it burns me to say this, but there is no chance of surviving an event of this magnitude. The only advice I have is to gather your friends, family, pets, and anyone you have a bitter relationship with, and await the inevitable death of Earth. If you are part of a religion, pray to your God or goddess, and repent. I will now end this message with a quote from the Bible. Ephesians 3:16, that according to the riches of his glory he may grant you to be strengthened with power through his Spirit in your inner being. We will now conclude this final activation of the emergency alert system with our national anthem. Farewell, my fellow Americans, and I will see you in the afterlife.